How to post anonymously on Facebook group. In this short video, I'll guide you on how to post anonymously on Facebook groups and explain how to turn on anonymous posts in Facebook group settings as an administration. Anonymous posting is a fantastic feature that allows you to share sensitive thoughts, ask personal questions, or participate in group discussions without revealing your identity to other members. Imagine the freedom to express yourself without fear of judgment. Many users already benefit from this feature. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate social media features, including enabling and using anonymous posts on Facebook groups. Stay with me until the end to discover how to enable anonymous posting as an admin and how to use it effectively as a group member. Let's get started on how to post anonymously on Facebook group right now. First, for group admins who want to enable anonymous posting in Facebook group settings, go to your Facebook group and click on Settings from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the Features section and locate Anonymous Posting. Toggle the feature on and save the changes. Refresh the group page to ensure the feature is live for members. With this setting enabled, group members will have the option to post anonymously, allowing them to share their thoughts or ask questions without revealing their identity to other members of the group. Then for group members, here's how you can post anonymously. First, for desktop users, open Facebook and click the Groups tab from the left-hand menu. Select the group you want to post in. Below the text field, click Anonymous Post. A pop-up will explain how anonymous posts work. Click Create Anonymous Post. Type your message, add any images or details, and click Submit. If the group requires admin approval, your post will be reviewed first. For mobile users, open the Facebook app and tap the three-line menu icon at the top right on Android or bottom right on iOS. Select Groups and tap on your desired group. Scroll down and tap Anonymous Post under the text field. Tap I want to post anonymously in the pop-up to proceed. Write your post, attach media if needed, and tap Submit. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with how to manage and ensure anonymous posting works smoothly in your group. Here are some important notes for Facebook anonymous posting. Anonymous posts hide your name and profile picture from group members, but remain visible to admins, moderators, and Facebook for security purposes. Comments on anonymous posts are also anonymous to members, but visible to admins. If the option to post anonymously isn't available, it could mean the group's admin has disabled anonymous posting. It could also mean there's a temporary restriction due to a violation of Facebook's community standards. Always be mindful of the details in your post to avoid unintentionally revealing your identity. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.